Alrighty, just got Moby back from the shop. Got a clean bill of health. Everything's a-okay. So we're gonna pop in. These. I just had a old piece of 1/4 inch ply, just some old panel board that I cut to size, and I'm gonna put them on the couch face and the storage, or someday maybe that'll be an entertainment center. So, and I finished the hinges so they flip up. The couch flips up, storage inside, and then it flips over, which we've already covered, and it's a bed. And now we got to get the chairs out of the way, obviously. And I put a couple ropes in it just to make it a little easier. I put a handle in it, so if you're inside, you just grab the rope. And to keep it up then, to keep it open, I put a quick little C-clip in here, so it hangs by the C-clip to stay open. Which seems to work. I could have used a rod, a bar of wood, and held it up that way. I really kind of wanted it to tip past the 90-degree mark so it would keep itself open, like this one does. When the chairs are off it, it stays open. But in order to do that, I had to move this hinge so far forward that it didn't give me enough of the bottom half of the bed that flips over, because it wouldn't cover this gap. So anyway, I went with just, for now, just a simple hook and a C-clip. So we're going to put panels on the front of these now, just for just to kind of see how it works, see how it fits. I'm just going to put it in ultra fast with a little, little air nail gun, and we'll go from there. So I haven't decided if I wanted cupboards or doors or sliders. I haven't decided yet. But I do know that this needs to be open. For now, that's where the cooler goes. And I don't necessarily want to have to open the whole bed every time I want to cool. I actually like the idea of stuff sliding out. I like that. But yet, if you put, it would have to be some kind of slider, inside track slider thing, because I don't like the fact of opening a door and then you have to move it to close the door. Obviously, anything that flips up, then you got to reach under it to get it. Stupid. If it falls down to the floor, meh, okay. We could go that way too, I suppose, but I haven't decided yet. So I want to work with this for a while and see where we go. But I did know I wanted to work into the cooler. Eventually, there'll be a face on this with a cupboard, because the water bottles and stuff will be down there, and then I want the waste basket to hook to the inside of the cupboard. So. Just a down and dirty, quick and dirty. This is more like a dry fit or a rough draft.